Hi guys, my name is Dan and I'm gonna now show you how to make the Anycubic test cube which you will receive with your MSLA printer. And this was a question asked by David Bernard from the Photonstars Facebook group, which is quite awesome, so join that one if you like to 3D print. And here is the finalized result, which we will try to replicate. So we start by making a drawing, a rectangle. I will make it 60 by 60 millimeters, and then we need to put a line in the middle like this. Finish sketch. Then we need to do a plane at an angle, and we will do it on this line, and then 90 degrees. Okay, and then another sketch on this new plane, and I will project, press P, and this line. Okay, I want the cube to be 5 millimeter, all the wires, so I make a circle which is 5 millimeters in diameter. Finish sketch, and then let's do a sweep. So profile, we select this circle, path, this one. Perfect, like this. And we have 5 rectangles per side. So then we will do pattern, rectangular pattern. We will use this one as object, direction, up, and we want it to be 60 millimeters and 5 pieces. Okay, like this. Then we'll do another sketch on this same plane as where we started. We can hide the bodies, and then let's take the first sketch out like this. Then we will project again that point. Okay, and then do another 5 millimeter circle like this. Finish. And let's take the bodies back and then extrude this circle 60 millimeters. And now Fusion wants to cut it, so we need to change it to new body. Okay. Now we have one side, but we want to have many sides, so we will do a pattern, rectangular. Let's choose this one, direction. We want it to be Y direction, and then minus 60 and 5 pieces like this. And then to get it all the way around, we will do pattern again, circular, objects, this one and that one, axis, Z axis, 4 pieces. Okay, wow, look at that. And then we need to do the bottom and top. So let's do a sketch, and let's choose this plane. Okay, and then we need to project again this one. Okay, and then to make it easy, let's do a pattern again. Let's choose this one, minus 60 again, and 5 pieces like this. Okay, finish, and then we will extrude this one, this one, this one, and we want it to be symmetric, and we want to use the whole length, and as you guessed, 60 millimeters. And again we want to have new bodies. Okay, and then we will do pattern again. This is quite easy. We choose the new one, direction, the blue direction, and as you guessed, -60 and 2 pieces. Okay, check it out, it's almost done. Then we do these bars, so a sketch again. Let's choose this plane, and let's do the same as before. Project one of the legs. Okay, then create rectangular pattern, choose, and then 60 millimeters and 5 pieces. Okay, finish sketch. Let's choose them. This one and this one. Symmetric, whole length, and 60. And then again, new body. Okay. And now it's starting to look good. And then again, let's do pattern, rectangle. Let's choose the newest 3 bars, direction, and we want to have the blue one. And again, -60 and 2 pieces. Okay, look at that. But now you see that we still have here, it's a little bit ugly. So let's do a fillet, and then we will choose all of these. The other side also. A couple of more. Let's see, 2.5 millimeters. It looks quite good. Okay. And then we can hide that sketch. It still looks a little bit rough. You can see these small black lines. And that's because we have a ton of different bodies. This many bodies. So let's combine them. Modify, combine. Let's choose the first one. Tool bodies. All the rest. All the way to 37. We don't want these. So then just OK. And look at that. The perfect cube. Then if we want, we can make the base. But then that's a different story. We would like to have the base here. But you just add a plane in right direction, make a circle, extrude it, and then the same for the text inside. Piece of cake. Thanks for looking at my video. Have a nice day.